How to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and tap on the Apps option. Further, scroll down and tap on the WhatsApp option you see there, and now in here tap on the Notifications option. Here, go ahead and make sure the Allow Notifications toggle button is enabled. Also, make sure the alerts for lock screen, notification center, and banners are enabled too, and make sure the sounds and badges toggle button are enabled. Now, go back to WhatsApp settings and make sure the toggle button for microphone, camera, and all other toggle buttons are enabled and see if that helps in fixing your issue. If not, go back to settings and tap on battery and then go ahead and make sure the toggle button for low power mode is disabled, as low power mode temporarily reduces background activities, leading to less notifications from the apps. If your issue is still not fixed, tap on settings again and then tap on general and then on background app refresh. Here, go ahead and tap on background app refresh again and set it to Wi-Fi and cellular if it is set it to off. Next, go back to settings and tap on the focus option you see there and then tap on do not disturb mode and make sure do not disturb mode is not enabled on your iPhone. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then open WhatsApp again and tap on settings and then tap on the notifications option. Here, go ahead and make sure all the toggle buttons for notifications are enabled, and if not, then enable the toggle buttons for notification. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then force quit WhatsApp by simply swiping up on your screen and then force quitting the app. Once forced quitted, you can try to restart your iPhone, as this will fix majority of minor glitches on your iPhone, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.